Hello everyone, welcome back to our magical world. वेलकम बैक टू आवर मैजिकल वर्ल्ड. सो ये वीडियो देखने से पहले जल्दी से लाइक कर देना, सब्सक्राइब कर देना एंड हिटिंग द बेल बटन टू रिसीव ऑल notifications of our channel, not personalized ones. So in this video we have a very exciting news. So let me tell you. So everyone, as you can see these books, these are all the books that I want. So let me tell you some of the books that I really would like. I want these books, these ones, this one also, this one also, and there are more books that I would really like. So I am going to now tell you some books that I would like to give away. Like, these are all the books that I would like to give away to other children like me who also likes books. So I really like books. So these were the books that I read in my childhood. When I was small, I read all these books. These are all my favorite books. But I would like to. I now think that I would like to give away all these books to other poor children around, and who are just like me and who likes books and they get no books. So I would like to help them buy these all books. Whoever wants the book, please go to Facebook and find us on Facebook. On Facebook you will find us as Sneha Manjrekar Saini. Then contact our Facebook page, contact Sneha Manjrekar Saini, and there you can buy each of the book that you would like. So which book do you want? Please tell us in the comments. And also comment on Facebook what book would you like. You will find us on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Google, and on everything. So these were the books, and this is my last time touching them. I would like to give away this book, this book, this book, this book, and this book. These are some Peppa Pig books like this one, Daddy Pig's Office, Going Boating, Camping Trip. Here are more books like Peppa's Christmas, Peppa Goes to the Library, Peppa Goes to Hospital, Peppa Goes Ice Skating, Peppa's First Pet, Peppa's Gym Class, and other books. Right here there are more Peppa Pig books that you would really like. Over Daddy Pig's Old Chair, Tigger is a scaredy cat, The Magic Porridge Pot, Recycling Fun, The Gingerbread Man, Nature Trail, Little Creatures, School Bus Trip, and another book, Sports Day. And there are more books over here. Pinocchio, which is a pop-up book like this. My first learning book of wild animals. Gizzy Learning Pen Control Wipe Clean, a book that you can buy. Mummy and Me. Hindi. This is the book of Hindi. And this is Learning is Fun, Shapes. And there are more books of Peppa Pig. Happy Birthday, Best Friends, Night Creatures, Oink Oink, My Very Brave Firefighter, My Very Noisy Digger, and My Very Happy Princess. And there's some activity books of Peppa Pig that you would also like Marvelous Magnet Book, Peppa's Post, all the books. Peppa Goes Around the World, Good Night Peppa, Let's Go Shopping Peppa, Happy Birthday Peppa, Peppa and Her Golden Boots, The Princess and the Frog, Alice in Wonderland, The Little Mermaid, The Pied Piper of Hamelin, Hansel and Gretel, The Princess and the Pea. These are some story books that you would also like. Snow White, Cinderella, Aladdin, Puss in Boots, Little Red Riding Hood, Peter Pan, Ugly Duckling, Sinbad. These are some mini Peppa Pig books that you would also like. See, Sir George the Brave, The King, the Cook and the Wizard, Princess Peppa, The Royal Party, and The Sleepy Princess. There are some more story books. Goldilocks, Cinderella, Krishna, Thumbelina, Hanuman, Sleeping Beauty, Level 1, Crystal and Her Lying Babes, उसमें phonics readers, Frog on a Log, उसमें phonics readers, Shark in the Park, and Tell Us what it feels like of being jealous. So these are the books that I would like to give away to other poor children like me who also like books. So please contact us on Facebook, Sneha Mandrekar Seni on Facebook, and you can buy each of the books that you would like. Show your child each of the books that they would really like, okay? This is the box that we can order you for the courier. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please show this video to your relatives and they will also contact us on Facebook. So bye bye.